Have you ever been asked to sign a PDF file and wondered how to do so? In this video, I'm going to show you how to do exactly that. When people ask us to sign a PDF document and return it, what they usually mean is they want to see your actual signature on the PDF. You know, the signature that you use a pen and paper to draw, that kind of signature. What they don't mean is to create a cryptographically sound and valid digital signature. That is usually reserved for more fancy organizations and companies when they exchange data that must be verified, and just having a signature on a piece of paper might not really do it. For us to create that type of thing, we have to be able to draw on a PDF with a pen. That's very easy. I'm going to show you a set of a few openly available, freely available software that you can download and use in order to use a pen in those software and draw your regular signature on a PDF, save it, attach it to an email or whatever means for transferring the document you're using, and then send it to the destination. Very easy. Ready? Let's go. Signing a PDF file is very easy. All you need is a PDF file, the document you want to sign. I have one here. This is where I would like to put my signature. And also you need a program that allows you to use a pen to draw your signature on the PDF. For that, I'm going to use PDF-XChange Editor Portable. The portable version you can download freely from portableapps.com, the website you can see on the screen. This version, one of the virtues of portable versions of apps is that they don't have to be tightly integrated into your operating system. All what they do happens usually within the folder where the software is going to be unpacked. When you click on the download from portableapps.com, something will be downloaded on your desktop. That is the thing that you will get, and once you double click on it, it will ask you a couple of questions. First, it might warn you that this software has not been seen. Your operating system antivirus might ask you that because it has not been seen in the past, perhaps it might be harmful. You need to allow it to run anyway. Once you allowed it to run anyway, it will unpack this harmless software on your desktop. And right now I put it on my desktop, and when you double click on this folder that is created by this setup package, you will have everything you need in one folder. This is where PDF-XChange Editor Portable lives. I double click on this, it will open. All I need for signing a PDF document is within my reach in this software. I don't need anything else. Those tools and features are freely available. If you like the software, of course, you might want to buy extra features for which you would get a license, and you would pay some very reasonable and small amount of fee, and then you get extra features. But the ones that we want are all free. All right, I opened it. I drag and drop my PDF document here. All I need to do is to put the date here, my name here, and my signature there. All of the tools I need can be found under comment tab here. I click on that. I need typewriter. The typewriter feature would be would help me to type my name and date over here, and the pencil feature will allow me to draw my signature on the PDF. So I click on typewriter, starting with typewriter, and then type the date today, 2021-5-29. This is today. And I also want to put my name here. I would say Eric Bright, and I'm done with that feature. So this feature is free and I can use it at any time. Another feature I'm going to use to draw my signature is pencil. The pencil feature is here. If you click and hold your click, a menu would appear. It allows you to pick a color for your ink. I already picked a black color, and now that I have the black color, I am able to draw my signature here, and I'm done, finished. Now all I need to do is to save this document and close this program. And the next time I open this document, the PDF document, I open it, I can see my name, I can see the date, and I can see my signature embedded inside of this document. Now I can attach it to any email as a PDF and send it to whoever asked me to send this to. That's it for now. If you liked it, like and subscribe. See you next time.